7 days. Nine hotels. The Hotel and Resort Crawl. Powered by CDO Content Creators Club.
Ahoy there, ye hearties! Welcome to the fantastic tale of Seven Seas Waterpark, where swashbuckling adventures await and the spirit of the high seas comes alive. Arr! Gather around as we embark in a grand voyage. After a splendid refurbishment, Seven Seas Waterpark is ready to set sail once again from its haven in Barra, Opol, Misamis Oriental. Dive into the pirate paradise, where X marks the spot for over 12 thrilling slides. A colossal dual wave pool. A lazy river stretching 400 meters and more. It's a family-friendly haven filled with yo-ho-ho fun. Explore cabanas and huts for rent. A Sandbox play area for little buccaneers. The Treasure Island Garden Maze. And Captain Oliver's Cafe for hearty meals. Avast ye! For a mere 599 golden pesos, enjoy entrance and swim, or go all out with 948 pesos or unlimited slide access, entrance and swim. Optional add-ons are available for brave souls seeking extreme slide adventures. Before you set foot, know the code. Proper pirate attire, mind the height and weight requirements, and follow the safety guidelines, or ye might end up in Davy Jones' locker. Fill your bellies at Captain Oliver's Cafe for comfort grab, or grab a quick bite at Ahoy Fast Food, where burgers and fried chicken await. The choices are as vast as the seven seas. Find us at Barra, Opol, Misamis Oriental. Chart your course online at Seven Seas website, or send a carrier parrot to contact, or you can email them if you like. So me hearties, ready your sea legs and join the crew. It's time to see the day at Seven Seas Waterpark. adventure meets the high seas.